To graph a linear equation, you need to make sure that it is in slope-intercept form. You need to plot your y-intercept first, and you need to use the rate of change to get to the next point. So, here's an example. Y is equal to 7x plus 5. So you're going to draw a coordinate plane. My y-intercept is 5, so I'm going to go on my axis, and I'm going to plot it at 5. Now my slope is going to be 7. So I go up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I go to the right 1. I also can keep going, so up 7 to the right 1 will get me about here. If I'm going backwards, I'm going to go down 7 to the left 1. Same with that. So down 7 to the left 1's about here. So now when I graph, there's my line. Okay, so we're going to graph y is equal to x plus 5. We don't see a number, so my coefficient is going to be 1, so my slope is 1. And now I'm going to graph it on my coordinate plane. I'm going to start at 5, go up 1 to the right 1. I'm going to continue that pattern. Or I go vice versa, down 1 to the left 1. Not my line. Now, in this case where I have a negative slope, I'm going to start at 9. And now my slope is negative 2 over 3, so I'm going to go down 2. And I'm going to go to the right 3. I'm going to continue with that pattern. Down 2 to the right 3. And now I have this going on. If you have something in this form, where it's a standard form, you can't tell me that the slope is 2 because you need to move 2x to the other side first. So now I have 5y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. Lastly, I need to get rid of my coefficient in front of y, so I'm going to divide by 5 and everything. So now I have y is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 2. And then you graph from there. So the trick of the trade, when it's a positive graph, it's going to look like this. So you're going to have a positive slope as a negative slope. Going to go in that direction. It's up and down. That's an x equals equation, and that's going to be undefined. And lastly, if you see a graph like this, that is the zero slope. And that is when y is equal to a number.